In the field of entrepreneurship, countless international books are published annually in different languages. While some reach best-selling status, others face scrutiny and diminished sales due to criticism regarding shortcomings in their content, repetition, or lack of engagement. However, amidst this diversity, the selected volumes remain pillars within the entrepreneurship literary landscape. These venerable works, often referred to as seminal texts, maintain their relevance, earning them a distinguished place in the canon of entrepreneurship. Recommended reading for entrepreneurs at all stages of their journey, they serve as invaluable resources for both beginners and veterans and are essential additions to any entrepreneur's library. This is a list of the best books on entrepreneurship and management. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book revolutionized the way entrepreneurs approach startups by advocating for a methodology that emphasizes rapid iteration, validated learning, and a focus on creating a minimum viable product, MVP. Ries provides practical advice for building successful ventures by testing assumptions, adapting to customer feedback, and efficiently utilizing resources. Its impact lies in its ability to guide entrepreneurs through the uncertainty of starting a business, helping them avoid common pitfalls and increase their chances of success. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. In this thought-provoking book, entrepreneur and investor Peter Thiel shares his insights on how to create and dominate new markets. Thiel argues that true innovation involves going from 0 to 1, rather than simply copying what already exists. He discusses the importance of building a unique value proposition, creating monopolies through innovation, and fostering a contrarian mindset. The book challenges conventional wisdom and inspires entrepreneurs to think boldly about the future of their ventures. The E-Myth Revisited. Why Most Small Businesses Don't Work and What to Do About It by Michael E. Gerber. Michael Gerber presents a compelling argument for why many small businesses fail and provides practical solutions for overcoming common challenges. He introduces the concept of the entrepreneurial myth, which suggests that most businesses are started by technicians rather than true entrepreneurs. Gerber emphasizes the importance of working on the business, not just in it, and outlines a framework for creating systems and processes that enable scalability and long-term success. Good to Great. Why Some Companies Make the Leap, and Others Don't by Jim Collins. Drawing on years of research, Jim Collins identifies key factors that distinguish great companies from merely good ones. He explores concepts such as Level 5 leadership, the hedgehog concept, and the flywheel effect to uncover the underlying principles of sustainable business success. Collins' findings are applicable not only to large corporations but also to startups and entrepreneurs striving to build enduring organizations. The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Timothy Ferriss challenges the traditional notion of work and offers a blueprint for designing a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. Through a combination of productivity hacks, outsourcing strategies, and lifestyle design principles, Ferriss shows readers how to escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve more with less effort. While some of his ideas may be controversial, the book has inspired countless entrepreneurs to rethink their approach to work and prioritize their personal goals. Start with Why. How Great Leaders Inspire Everyone to Take Action by Simon Sinek. Simon Sinek explores the power of purpose-driven leadership and its impact on organizational success. He introduces the concept of the Golden Circle, which emphasizes starting with why before addressing how and what. By understanding the deeper motivations behind their actions, entrepreneurs can inspire others to join their cause and create lasting change. Sinek's TED Talk on the same topic has garnered millions of views and further solidified the book's influence. The Innovator's Dilemma. When New Technologies Cause Great Firms to Fail by Clayton M. Christensen. Clayton Christensen introduces the concept of disruptive innovation and explores why established companies often struggle to adapt to new technologies and market shifts. He illustrates his ideas with numerous case studies, demonstrating how disruptive companies disrupt markets and overthrow incumbents. Entrepreneurs can learn valuable lessons from Christensen's insights on how to navigate disruptive change and position their ventures for long-term success. Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. While not exclusively focused on entrepreneurship, Daniel Kahneman's exploration of the human mind and decision-making processes is essential reading for anyone looking to understand how people think and behave. Kahneman introduces the concept of System 1 and System 2 thinking, highlighting the biases and heuristics that influence our judgments and choices. By becoming aware of these cognitive pitfalls, entrepreneurs can make more informed decisions and better navigate the complexities of business. Purple Cow. Transform Your Business by Being Remarkable by Seth Godin. Seth Godin argues that in today's crowded marketplace, businesses must stand out to succeed. He advocates for the creation of purple cows, products or services that are truly remarkable and impossible to ignore. Godin encourages entrepreneurs to challenge the status quo, embrace creativity, and relentlessly innovate to capture the attention of their target audience. The book's message resonates with entrepreneurs striving to differentiate their ventures in a competitive landscape. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. While not a traditional entrepreneurship book, Dale Carnegie's timeless classic on interpersonal skills is indispensable for anyone looking to succeed in business. Carnegie offers practical advice on building rapport, communicating effectively, and influencing others positively. Entrepreneurs can apply these principles to network effectively, negotiate deals, and build strong relationships with customers, partners, and employees. The book's enduring popularity speaks to its universal appeal and enduring relevance in the business world. The Art of the Start 2.0. The time-tested, battle-hardened guide for anyone starting anything by Guy Kawasaki. Guy Kawasaki, a seasoned entrepreneur and former Apple evangelist, provides a comprehensive guide to starting a business in the modern age. He covers everything from crafting a compelling pitch to raising capital, building a team, and navigating the challenges of entrepreneurship. Kawasaki's practical advice, peppered with anecdotes and insights from his own experiences, makes this book a valuable resource for aspiring entrepreneurs at any stage of their journey. Crushing It. How Great Entrepreneurs Build Their Business and Influence, and How You Can, too, by Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary Vaynerchuk, a serial entrepreneur and social media expert, shares strategies for leveraging the power of personal branding and online platforms to achieve entrepreneurial success. Drawing on case studies and interviews with successful entrepreneurs, Vaynerchuk offers actionable advice on building a strong personal brand, creating compelling content, and engaging with audiences authentically. Crushing It empowers entrepreneurs to harness the full potential of digital media to grow their businesses and make a meaningful impact in their industries. The Startup Owner's Manual. The Step-by-Step Guide for Building a Great Company by Steve Blank and Bob Dorff. Steve Blank, a pioneer of the lean startup movement, teams up with entrepreneur and educator Bob Dorff to provide a comprehensive roadmap for launching and scaling a startup. The book offers practical guidance on customer development, product market fit, agile development, and other essential aspects of building a successful venture. Through a combination of theory, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises, the Startup Owner's Manual equips entrepreneurs with the tools and strategies they need to navigate the complexities of startup entrepreneurship. Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance. By Angela Duckworth. Psychologist Angela Duckworth explores the concept of grit, the combination of passion and perseverance, and its role in achieving success. Drawing on research from psychology, neuroscience, and other disciplines, Duckworth demonstrates how grit can be a better predictor of success than talent or intelligence alone. Entrepreneurs can learn valuable lessons from Duckworth's insights on how to cultivate grit in themselves and others, enabling them to overcome obstacles, stay focused on their goals, and ultimately achieve long-term success in their entrepreneurial endeavors. Rework by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. In this unconventional business book, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen challenge conventional wisdom and offer a fresh perspective on entrepreneurship and productivity. They advocate for a less is more approach, emphasizing simplicity, flexibility, and autonomy in building and running a business. Through a series of short, punchy chapters filled with practical advice and counterintuitive insights, Rework encourages entrepreneurs to question the status quo, embrace constraints, and focus on what truly matters in their pursuit of business success. Welcome to the Mind Building Channel, your go-to destination for sculpting an unbreakable mindset and unlocking the secrets to success. Join us as we delve into life lessons, extract wisdom from summary books, and explore the transformative power of a strong money mindset. Through inspiring stories of success, we aim to empower you to reach your full potential. If you're ready to embark on a journey of personal growth and development, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's build minds that are resilient, adaptable, and primed for success. Don't miss out, subscribe now.